How are you, families and friends of this channel? This is part 45 of aptitude test questions with their solutions on simplification. As you know, on Big Academy YouTube channel, I am just presenting you aptitude test questions with their solutions, which are useful for students and also useful for graduates who are searching for a job. Since aptitude test questions will appear in any type of examination, either vacancy examination or educational examination, so students and graduates should have to know how to solve aptitude test questions. Therefore, be a member of this channel and you can get weekly aptitude test questions with their solutions. So you can practice daily with these questions and you can easily pass any type of examination. So be a member of this channel, subscribe this channel, again share this channel to your friends and families who may need aptitude test questions. Let's go to the questions. Question number 150. If 4/5 of an estate be worth $16,800, then the value of 3/7 of the estate is A, $9,000, B, $21,000, C, $72,000, D, $90,000. Now there is an estate and 4/5 of the worth of the estate be 16,800. Then you are required to find out 3/7 of the value of the estate. So to get the answer for this question, let's first be the value of the state be X. Since we don't know the value of the state, we have to represent it by letter X. Then 4/5 of the estate value, or 4/5 of X is equal to 16,800. And you can rewrite this one as 4x/5 is equal to 16,800. Then crisscross it, you get 4x is equal to 16,800 times by 5. And 16,800 times by 5, which is equal to x. Then to solve for x, divide both sides by 4. You get the value of x, which is equal to 21,000. So this is the value of the estate. Then what is required is 3/7 of the estate. So you get the value of the estate as 21,000. Then 3/7 of the estate value. That means 3/7 of the estate's value, which is equal to 3/7 times by 21,000. Then it can also be written as 3 times by 21,000 over 7. And 21,000 can be divided by 7 and it is 3,000. Get 3 times by 3,000. Then you get at last 9,000. So 3/7 of the estate is 9,000. And your answer for this question is choice A. Question number 151. If x is a positive number, then which of the following fractions has the greatest value? A, x/x, B, x/x plus 1, C, x plus 1 over x, D, x plus 2 over x plus 3. Now you are given a number, unknown number, which is x, and the value of x is always positive. Then you are given the fractions here, and you have to compare each fractions. And from all the fractions, you are required to find out the one with the greatest value. Okay, now you get here, or you are given here a number x which is unknown, and its value is always positive. So it is given that x is a positive number. Then the value of the fraction that is located at a, that means x over x, is equal to 1. X over x is equal to 1. Whatever is the value of x starting from up to any number, then let's for example say x is equal to 1, then 1 over 1 is equal to 2. Again, x is equal to 2, 2 over 2 is equal to 1. And x equal to 3, 3 over 3 is equal to 1. Then x over x is equal to 1. Choice B. You have the fraction x over x plus 1. That means the numerator, when the numerator is x, then the denominator becomes x plus 1. From this, always the numerator is less than the denominator. So x is, that means x over x plus 1 is always less than 1, because as you see here, when the numerator is x, the denominator is x plus 1. It exceeds the numerator by 1 always. So x over x plus 1 is less than 1. Then choice C. You have on the numerator x plus 1 and on the denominator x. So as you see here, it is clear that the numerator is higher than that of the denominator. And when the numerator is higher than the denominator, then the value of the fraction is greater than 1. Say for example, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then the numerator is x plus 1, and it is 1 plus 1, so it is 2. Again, the denominator is x and the value of x is 1, so you have 2 over 1, and your value is 2, which is greater than always that of 1. What about choice D? X plus 2 over x plus 3. It is clear that the value of, there is x on the numerator and there is also x on the denominator. Again, you add number 2, or the value which is equal to 2 on the numerator and 3 on the denominator. Then it is true that again 2 is less than 3, and x plus 2 is less than x plus 3, because you are adding a higher number on the denominator than on the numerator. So the numerator is less than the denominator. So the value of the fraction is therefore less than 1. Among these choices, the one that is higher is choice C. Choice C. So your answer for this question is choice C. እሺ ውድ ተመልካቾች ለዛሬ ያለን ይሄን ይመስላል። እንደሚታወቀው ቢክ አካዳሚ በሚለው ቻናል የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን እያቀረብኩላችሁ እገኛለሁ። እስካሁን ድረስ እስከዚህ ቪዲዮ ማለት ነው 151 የሚሆኑ ጥያቄዎችን ከናሰራራቸው ለማቅረብ ሞክሬያለሁ። ጥያቄዎቹን ከናሰራራቸው እያያችሁ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ። እንደ አይነት ጥያቄዎች ለስራ ውድድር ፈተና ላይ የሚመጡ ናቸው። ከዛም ባለፈ በትምህርት ፈተና ላይ በ12ኛ ክፍል የማትሪክ ፈተና እንደዚሁም በዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም፣ ለማስተርስ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም፣ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ላይ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም አለ። ለዛ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም እንደዚሁም በተለያዩ አጋጣሚዎች ላይ ሊያጋጥሙ በሚችሉ ፈተናዎች የሚመጡ ጥያቄዎች በመሆናቸው ብታውቋቸው፣ ብትለማመዱ፣ አሰራሩን ብታውቁ ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። በየሳምንቱ የሚለቀቁ የትምህርት ቪዲዮዎችን እያያችሁ ራሳችሁን አፕዴት አድርጉ። ሌሎች ጓደኞች፣ ዘመዶች ካሏችሁ ተማሪዎችና ስራ ፈላጊዎች ከሆኑ ይህንን ቻናል ጋብዟቸው። ታንኪዩ